So how do we calculate the value of the velocity using displacement time graph? The velocity is actually the gradient of displacement time graph, right? And in an earlier video, in order to describe this graph, we have already described this graph as, right, the displacement of the object decreases at a constant rate. Of 2 meters moving towards the origin for every 1 second. Right? We already established this in an earlier video. So if you don't understand this statement, please watch an earlier video. Right, for this video, we're going to focus on calculating the velocity using gradient of ST graph. Now, gradient of ST graph, you need to find rise over run. And I need to find the exact coordinate. Okay, you need to find the exact coordinate. Right? So in this case, I'm just going to choose at time equals 5. And I'm going to choose time equals 0. Okay, time equals 5 and time equals 0. So this will be my run, which is 5 minus 0 equals 5 seconds. This will be my rise. So when time increases from 0 to 5 seconds, the displacement decreases from 30 meters to 20 meters. So the final displacement is actually 20 meters. We take the final minus the initial, which will give me minus 10 meters. And here minus 10 over 5, minus 2 meters per second. Okay, so minus tells us it decreases. Moving towards origin. All right. Sorry, there's an error here. It should be displacement of object decreases at a constant rate of 2 meters. Sorry, that's my error. Constant rate of 2 meters, moving towards the origin for every 1 second. So the minus sign tells us it decreases and it's moving towards the origin.